Hey, what's going on, YouTube? What's going on, fellow investors? You know, one of the questions that I get asked more than any other when it comes to investing is, what is the best investment for beginners? Hey, Rod, I just want to start. I'm just getting started. What do you suggest? And hey, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a fiduciary. Please do your own research before you invest any of your money. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. But when I'm asked this, I don't say, hey, I would go get. I'll tell them, when I first started, I wish I would have invested in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol VOO. And in this video, I'm going to show you why I think it is the best investment for beginners, and which also leads it to be the solid investment, number 7 of 30 videos that I'm going to be doing on solid investments that I have in my portfolio. Please keep in mind, these investments are in no particular order. These videos are in no particular order. This actually should have been the first video, because if I was just beginning back in 1992, VOO, the ticker symbol for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, would have been the first investment that I would have purchased. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone. On this channel, we talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about exchange traded funds or ETFs, but more importantly, I show you my journey on how I take small amounts of money and invest for my financial future. If that's something you're interested in, do your boy a favor if you haven't already done so. Hit that subscribe button, baby. Give the video a thumbs up if you get some good information. Share the channel out. Share the video out. Tell someone that there's an everyday guy over there that's just showing you his journey on how he's using small amounts of money, not thousands or hundreds of thousands, and investing for his future. Also, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, let me go ahead and pull up Robinhood, and that is what we're going to be using to take a look at VOO. I will be saying the ticker symbol VOO going forward. That's pretty much what it's known for. You won't hear people say the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. They're going to say VOO. Now, today, let me go up a little bit. Today, it is down 1.01%. I'm not too worried about that. And a lot of times, new investors, when they see a loss like this, they'll be like, oh, man, I'm losing my money. That's not how this works. Patience equals perseverance equals prosperity. It's a simple formula. It's a simple formula. So I'm looking here, and it went down. But when there's red in the streets, it's time for Rod to eat. And right now, this is a perfect buying opportunity. And I actually purchased some VOO earlier today. Now, I'm not going to go to 1 week and 1 month. I am going to go to the past 3 months just to see, but I'm really not too concerned about this. As a beginner, I'm looking for a foundation to have investments for the long term, way down the road. But in the past 3 months, it is a 3.07%. I'm not going to do year to date because we're only in February. 3 months covered that, but in the past 1 year, it is up 13.44% or $74.39. One thing I want to mention, you're looking at this price of $628. Well, Rod, I'm a beginner. I don't have $628. That's why you're here. No problem. Because on Robinhood, we don't have to have $628. We're going to get a slice of the pie, also known as fractional shares. So if you only have $5, $10, $2, you can get a slice of the $628 full share and have what they call a fractional share. Okay, moving right along. Now, this is what I'm interested in, because this is a longevity situation. And in the past 5 years, it's up 76.48%. We're right here, 76.48%. or $272, I'll take that all day. Now, the max, long term, up 512.68%, up $525. Man, wouldn't you have liked to have been the person that got in back then? I know I wasn't. Again, that's why I say I wish this was the first investment I would have invested in, and I didn't even know what that number was going to be. Now, that's all past performance. So let's see what has this been doing since I've had it in Robinhood. Now, I do have it large stake in VOO in my other brokerage accounts, but for the sake of this video and this channel, we're just taking small amounts of money and investing. $48.14 is the value. Purchase or the cost, average cost is $560. It's trading at 628. I bought it at 560. I could sell it for 628. I made money. I currently have 0.07 of a share. And right here, this is what I'm most interested in. What is the total return? I'm not worried about the dollar amount, but it's up 12.04%. Now, the S&P 500 typically averages about 8 to 11% annually over a 30-year period. So 12.04, I'm a little bit above it, and I'm right there. So, hey, I'm cool with that. Moving right along here. So what is VOO? Notice it tracks, and it's called the S&P 500, but it says right here it's 518 holdings. That's because some companies like Alphabet, Berkshire Hathaway, they're going to have multiple holdings that fall under one company for voting rights. Inception date or the date it was created, September 7th, 2010. And what's in this fund? I'm not going to go through all this. I'm going to look at the top two. Technology, 34.13%. I'm not surprised. Financial services, I am a little surprised there, 12.54%. And communication, 11.25%. Not a bad mix, but I'm more into what is actually in this. And you're going to see why, when you see these companies, why I say this is actually a good beginner investment, because you're getting all these major companies, and this is just the top 10 holdings, which make up 38.36% of the total assets. So you still have 508 holdings that make up the other 62%. So these are the big dogs. You got NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Class A and C. There's an example of what I was talking about, multiple holdings under the same company. That is Google's parent company, as well as YouTube, Broadcom, Meta Platforms, which is your Instagram, your Facebook, your WhatsApp, Tesla, and Berkshire Hathaway. Man, these are some solid companies. Imagine being a beginning investor or a beginner, and you have money invested in all these various companies. Yes, could you go through and get individual stocks? But how long would that take? I mean, you could go and get these 10 with $10. Really, you can get put $1 a piece, but look how much you have to manage when you can have it done for you. Now, some of the key statistics. Another reason I like this, assets under management, or AUM, $1.51 trillion. You're not going to have $1.51 trillion in something that's not a solid investment. Again, this is solid investment, 7 of 30 that I will be doing videos on. And your 30-day yield is 1.08%. Now it does pay a quarterly dividend. The last dividend was paid on December 22nd, 2025. So we have one coming up in March, and that was for $1.77 per share. You don't have to have a full share. If you only have a fractional share, you're going to get a fraction of the dividend. Now, don't have too much more to go over here. Now, I will say 52 weeks, the 52-week low, I do want to see this. $442. So if you were dollar cost averaging or regular intervals, just investing money into this, now you may have bought some at 442, some at 482, and so on and so forth. But that's almost a $200 swing between the 52-week low and the 52-week high. Just something I wanted to go over. But as you can see, VOO, the past max 82%, 512.6%. But let's be more realistic and say the last 5 years, we don't know what it's going to do the next 20 years or whatever. And that is 76.46%. Man, I'm not going to ask the question I typically ask, do you have any VOO? Because this is really for beginners. But I do want to say this. I have VOO, and I've been investing since 1991, 92. And I still have it, and I'm still purchasing it. So it's for seasoned investors as well. It's up to you. Do you want to have something like a VOO, or would you rather have individual stocks? So my question for this video is, have you even started investing? If you have, put yes down in the comments. If you haven't, hopefully this video will get you started. Just say, hey, put a thumbs up, anything down in the comments. Just let me know, and hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, more fire, more knowledge, more importantly, showing you my investment journey on how I'm taking small amounts of money and investing for my financial future. Hope you have a blessed and prosperous day. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I guarantee you. Until the next time, much love, y'all. Peace.